Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to bring an image front and forward using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll bring this image forward and this two I'll send back. Select Edit option. Now select Edit object and select the image. Now select your image you want to bring front or forward. I'll front this image. Select and click right button and select Arrange option and select bring front and see this. Also I'll bring this image forward, click arrange, and this is being forward and see this. In this way you can bring your image front and forward. Also I'll bring this image forward, bring forward. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.